What's up, everyone? Dr. Bell here. We are going to be doing another supplement review. This time we will be talking amino acids, and we will talk specifically Thorne's Amino Complex. First thing, let's break down what amino acids are. Just picture amino acids as the building blocks of protein in your body. They're crucial for a myriad of functions like muscle gain and other physiological functions, including enzyme production, hormone regulation, cognitive ability, neurotransmitter balance, metabolism, energy production. So it's just not about muscles, all right? They're part of a bunch of other stuff. And as we age, we lose muscle mass, which can cause other health issues. So it's important to promote the growth of lean muscle mass. There's tons and tons and tons of studies that show that like a great predictor of life is how much muscle mass a person has. It doesn't matter anything else they do. They can smoke, they can drink, they can eat horribly, but if they have muscle, they will live longer. All right, so now within the spectrum of 20 amino acids, 9 are termed essential amino acids, which means that our body can't make it on our own, and we need to get them either through diet or supplements like Thorne's Amino Complex. EAAs, or the essential amino acids, are critical because they play a key role in muscle repair and recovery, especially after a strenuous workout. They also help reduce muscle soreness, boost energy levels, support healthy blood sugar levels, promote cardiovascular health, and strengthen connective tissue. Before we dig any deeper into amino complex, I want to stress that this is for educational purposes only. Please talk to a doctor before you take any vitamins or supplements. This is not medical advice. And if you didn't know, everything we review on our channel can be purchased at a steep discount through our full script store. Go to drbellhealth.com, drbellhealth.com. Free shipping, free returns, better prices than Amazon, better prices than the Thorne website. You can't find better deals online. And we offer top quality stuff there. Metagenics, microbiome labs, biotics research, standard process designs for health, pure encapsulations. You name it, all the top quality, high quality supplements are there at a discount. All right, so Thorne's Amino Complex doesn't just have your essential amino acids, but they have a very high concentration of branched chain amino acids, which makes them different than anyone else, which are BCAAs, okay? And numerous clinical trials have shown that BCAAs promote lean muscle mass growth and enhance muscle strength. If you work out, if you want to get stronger faster, if you want to build muscle faster, obviously eat your protein, take your protein, but you can also take these branched chain amino acids, which is going to help it happen even faster and help with your recovery. So to help you be able to lift more and lift longer. So the benefits don't stop there. Essential amino acids also support muscle repair and recovery. They reduce soreness, increase energy production, promote healthy blood sugar levels, support cardiovascular health, strengthen connective tissue. It's really like a superhero team for your body. So don't forget that you can purchase Amino Complex by Thorne and other Thorne products at a steep discount through a full script store. Go to drbellhealth.com, drbellhealth.com, free shipping, free returns, and we have a ton of other products there. So if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful health content. I'm Dr. Bell. Stay energized, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.